Hey guys, mqfish here. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to tie braided and leader line using the uni knot. Usually I'll use FG knots, but for times when my line breaks and I don't have time to retie the FG knot because the strike zone is still hot, I will just tie the double uni knot. It's pretty simple. It takes about a minute to tie, and then I could just resume and fish again, and then once the session is over or when I have a bit more time to tie my FG knot, then I'll redo my FG knot and use it for the next session. Okay, the uni knot. So on my left I have my braided line, which is in yellow, and my leader line, which is in clear color. Hopefully you guys can see on my right side. So what you're going to do is just lay both lines across each other, give it about like a 20 cm, 15 to 20 cm distance, and then since I'm going to start on the right, I'm going to pinch the right side. So the whole point of this uni knot is you want to wrap around the two lines together. So what I'll do is I make a figure of 6. I'll show you one more time. 6. And you want to wrap the leader line and the braided line together. So I'll give you about 3 reps. About 3 to 4 reps should be enough. So it's 1, 2, 3. And then you pull the tag line, and you can observe the loop, and it becomes the knot. That's it. So that's for the right side. Since we did the braided line on the right side, when we move to the left, we shall do the leader line instead. So it's the same concept as well. The figure of 6, this time the opposite way, and you gotta wrap both the leader and the braided line again. 3 reps should be enough. 1, 2, and 3, and then you pull. You may want to put your saliva on the knot to prevent the string from burning. Okay, so now you have 1 knot here and 1 knot on the right side. 1, 2, so there's 2 knots. So what you're going to do is just pull your leader line and your main braided line, and the knots will move towards each other, and bam. It's pretty tight. So this is how it looks like. Basically there's like 2 knots pulling or pushing against each other. So you can cut this tag line. And the other one, the short tag line. So that's it. It's my uni knot to join braid and your leader line together. So I would just recommend this to be a temporary measure, and then when you have time to tie your FG knots, then that's when you gotta replace the FG knot. So that's it guys, thanks for checking out.